Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time. So, my people, today's topic is about social media. What did I say? Social media. The effect of social media in our life, we the youths. Come to think of it. Look the area of when social media have affected your life. You see your friend posted achievement on social media and you begin panic. You begin run race. You are using your friend race to compare yours. You use your friend's race to run your own race. You see someone posted a action, a beautiful things on social network, and you begin pursue what you are not supposed to. Social media, social network have affected a lot of lives. A lot of homes have destroyed because of social media, because of things they see on social network. See people posting achievement, posted action, posted a lot of things, good things. Do you remember that nobody wants to post the bad side of them? Not 50%, even 60% of what is going on social media, not all of them is real. Why are we putting it on our head? Why are we using social network to scatter our home, to scatter ourselves? Things there are not real. You see a married couple posted their picture, hugging themselves, kissing themselves, and you begin panic that my man have not been doing this to me in public. Small problem will happen in your house. Instead of you to settle it amicable, you put it on social media. And you want to learn from them. Why are we letting social network to destroy our life? You know, friends, they may mingle together, they may be together talking about their home. But that one that doesn't speak about his wife or about his children, they will be saying, oh, maybe he's perfect. No. But he decided to keep his home in secrets. He don't want any third party to destroy his home. Why are we carrying social network problem on our home? A lot of family will see their children on a social media. You will see your cousin, your friend on a social media. Maybe the people in the diaspora looking good. You will say it is already good for them. No. Don't judge people on the way you see them on social media. Not all of them is real. I may decide to go and to look for an estate, look for a finance house and post there. And I will put it on social media, take a piece there and I will put it on social media. You will say, oh, for me, it's okay. Fosco is okay. It is not. We should learn from other people's mistakes. You see yourself or anyone buying a latest human hair and you begin pursuing it. Oh, I need to buy this, I need to buy this. Have you forgotten that every time I have its own season, destiny are different. Wait for your own time to come, my people. Don't look what people posted on social media to let it destroy your life, to let it destroy your marriages, to let it destroy your life, my people. Because I've heard a lot of story, my hairs are full. I made this kind of video long time ago, last year on my dialect. But I still decide to come here again to make it again. You will see people in diaspora post. A lot of people you see in diaspora, most of we don't have documents. Some of them, when they see police, they get scared. Some of them to even buy African food to eat is very hard for them because they have to, most of the people, maybe they have kids at home, they have to take care of their kids, they have to take care of their family. Not really easy for them in abroad. But when you see people in diaspora, social networks, oh, they are okay, they are living fine. No. If you see the kind of the house that the immigrant, the people that don't have document lives here, you will pity them. Most of them are trying to, to package themselves. But when you see them and you them packaging, be careful of the packaging you are packaging, that you will not, people want to help you, but because they look the standard you are, they can't. You see me on social media, you say, oh, this lady have make it. No, it doesn't done that way. Don't look another person thing to run your race, because you may collapse at the end of the day. Nobody wants to post a bad thought of them. Nobody wants to post a bad side of them. But we always posted a good side of us. But when you see people, you see celebrities on social media, you see people on social media, you want to learn from them. You want to imitate them. You want to keep running what they are doing. You want to do. Most of families spend most of the time, most of the ladies, not even family, ladies spend most of their time on social network without nothing. Look the area social network have affected your home, your life, and amend before it will be too late. Àwọn ìyàwó mi lé mi ti di rádaràda because of social network. Some men will be telling you on social network, they will write to you, be say, oh, I have a kiss. They'll say, it doesn't mean leave your man and marry me. Do you think that kind of man loves you? Leave your wife, come and marry me. Do you think that kind of lady loves you? Don't look things, people you see on social network. Look the way you react on things you see on social network. Not all of them are real. Like I've said, I may decide to go a finest place and make a picture and post it. I will say, this is what God has just done for me. And when you don't know the source of this, you'll be panicking. You'll be giving yourself blood pressure. Let's be careful on what we see on social media, my people, on how we reacted on it. Not all of them is real. Now people say, why is enough for a wise? Let's look. Not everything happening in our house, not everything happening in your life, you will come and put on social media to, oh, please, my people, come on, what did I do on this? Am I the one to tell you what to do before you will know right thing to do? Should I leave my man? Should I leave this? And you are outside there, you want to do what Mr. Lakashegbe have do. Not all of them is real. Look at most of the people in the diaspora. Sometimes they posted picture of they snap picture on a fine motor, They may snap today in pink motor, tomorrow in yellow car, tomorrow, and in the next tomorrow, in white car. Do you want to tell me that they are the one that owns all those cars? All of them is packaging. Don't give yourself problem or the names of social media. And if you're a housewife, you spend most of your time on social media with nothing, and it's affecting your life, it's affecting your home. Amend. Don't always look things on social media to do your life. Not all of them is real. Some may wear GL, and when you ask them that, oh, this chain is fine, they will tell you this is a gold chain, and whereas it's GL chain. Not every guitar is gold, my people. Not everything you see on social media, you will let it to destroy your life. That is how marriages, marriages are not really strong nowadays. How did I put it? It has not lasted nowadays. You will see people married 2 years, 1 year, they divorce. And if you see someone not putting our marriages, not putting our this thing on social media, or maybe not exposing, not telling you how my home it is, you don't want third party to interfere in his marriage, in his life. That is why. Not that his marriage is perfect than yours. Those things you see on social media, they will say, oh, all those people, they are better than mine. No. Sometimes your own is better than their own. But it is the way you see it, it is how you react on it. We should be very extremely careful on what we see on social network, on how we react on it. Some men, they are good before, but when they begin to see this, some link that some men enter, when their wife say, oh, it is time to say, they'll say, oh, I cannot say, because when they enter the link on the social network, they have already released on their body. So when the wife say, oh, let's do say, they'll say, please, I'm not in the mood. If you look the area social network have affected your home, and amend, my people. Amend. Not all of them is real. Don't let it scatter your house. If you even see someone posted achievements and your own is you have not achieved your aim, be prayerful, be focused. That is what you need. And don't compare your wife, your man, the situation of your life with another person. Destiny are different. Can you get me? Destiny are different. So that is my message to you, my people, this morning. That is my message to you. Social network, don't let it destroy your life. Don't compare. My mind may decide, to be helping me to do as chorus. Your own may decide not to do. That doesn't mean that doesn't love you. So keep comparing your life with another person. Being running race with another person's race, you will collapse. You don't need to do that. So if I'm making sense with this video, drop your opinion on comment section. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share. Maybe you can see, benefit from some life. Thank you so much for watching me, and happy Sunday to you all. Please, let's learn. We all say this every day. That person you see wearing human hair, you don't know, maybe he teaches, you don't know, maybe he borrow it, and you begin panicking yourself. You begin giving yourself headache for nothing. We humans are giving ourselves a lot of problems. All the names of our gods to belong. Some of my friends long year ago said, "Oh, Funsko for me. Why can't you do it? Why can't you be belonging all the time? All the time you apply lies now. Let people know you are higher than this. Don't pretend. Don't do empty vessel, empty barrel make a noise. If you see a drum that have plenty things in the inside, doesn't make a noise. It's calm. But the one that doesn't have anything make a noise." And for the family, my advising for you family outside there, looking people in diaspora that, these people have already made it, because the pictures you see on social media, it is not real. It is not real. Most of the people in abroad, sometimes we even eat when they pay this bill, it is finished. But you will see them as a higher top. It is not real. Don't compare your life, your own, your marriage, or anything about you with another person. Destiny are different. Thank you so much. I want to thank all my subscribers. That God bless you for subscribing into my channel. You will never lack good things. And if today is the first time you are coming across my video, please, my people, don't hesitate to subscribe, because subscribe, it is free, my people, and you will enjoy every moment of this channel. God bless you. I still remember your humble girl. My name is Fumilola, but this channel you are watching me from is Funsko TV show. Thank you. God bless you. I still love you. Bye. See you later in my next video.